Welcome friends, I am Hassin Alam and you are watching Trexon YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Google Keep stopping error. Click to open settings, then click here on apps or apps info or apps and notification, which one you have. Now search here Google and click to open Google. Now click here on force stop and then click here on force stop again. Now click on disable and then click here on disable again. Then click on OK. Now go back and restart your device. After restart your device, go to setting and enable Google app again. And then update or install latest version of Google app from Play Store. If you like this video, so then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.